Masio. Thank God, sha. You know, say, I almost lost 22 million in Abuja. Hmm? This one, na the diaspora land trap, where they say nobody will tell you. Let me tell you something. If you live abroad and you are planning to buy land in Nigeria, this story might save you from becoming a victim. A few days ago, I almost paid 22 million for a plot of land in Abuja. Not to a random scammer, not to a guy in a street corner, but to a registered real estate company with even an office, with even a website, the flyer, Instagram page, everything looks neat, looks clean. And if I did not stop and ask the right questions, I would have lost everything that I worked for in Obodo Imbo. This story is not about me. It's about every African in the diaspora who is saving for land back home in Nigeria. Because most of us would dream to have a place in Nigeria. Like many of you watching me today, I want something solid back home in Nigeria. A place for my family, a future for my family, something to show for all my years for abroad. Then a friend who now lives in Abuja told me about a new estate in one of the most expensive areas in Abuja. He showed me glossy flyer, 4-bedroom duplex, FCDA approved, 11 million, 22 million, 44 million, 34 million. He even showed me the payment receipt, the one he has paid. Everything looks gang. Everything looks real. The company in question, the real estate company in question, they have real and physical office. In fact, their website is functional. What about their Instagram page? I checked everything. I even saw pictures of the president that they snapped together on some lands, on some houses. Phone numbers, like 3 or 4. Everything went through. Even FCDA logo on their flyers, so big, so transparent, so glossy. Then I thought, this one is a safe place to invest my money. And I'm going to deal with this company. But something inside me said, stop. Ask question, bro. Ask. Don't let emotion drive you into, losing your money. Then I saw something that really scared me. My friend paid 10,000 as a subscription form, which they will tell you to pay upfront so that they will give you, you'll put your name in the form or in the computer. That's how most Nigerians get trapped when you paid that kind of small money. Because once you pay even 10,000 naira, your mind is already inside the deal. You now become emotionally attached to that property. But I asked one simple question. Who owns this land that we're talking about? Then silence. Then I ask again, where is the FCDA allocation letter? No answer yet. What is the FCDA file number? Which plot number exactly? Is there a minister consent of C of O on that land? And suddenly, the story changed. And, sorry, we'll do it next tomorrow, this. That's a red flag. Now, let me teach you something very, very important that you don't know. In Abuja itself, no land is legal without FCDA stamp nor FCDA approval. I don't care whatever type of land you bring to my phone. I don't care how nice the estate is. I don't care how many houses are built on that estate. I don't even care how many people have paid money. Even if they cannot show you FCDA allocation letter, FCDA number, survey plan stamped by the FCDA. In fact, if they cannot show you ministerial consent of C of O, please, you don't own a land. You only own dream and you own hope. Now you get. And hope is what kills most diaspora's investors. Because you hope they go better. it go better, and then you go buy on top of that. Many estates are built on government land, if you don't know that. Some lands, they are under dispute with Omunile, with traditional people. Some lands, they will be demolished in few years. Because you might build, no problem. You might even live there for 10 years. Then one morning, FCDA bulldozer will arrive. Sometimes when you're sleeping, we all knew what happened in Lagos, right? And everything, boom, is gone. No refund, my brother. No mercy, my sister. Everything gone, just like that. Why is people in the diaspora, why do we fall into this trap? Because we are far away. In Obodo Oyibo, we are very, very far away. And we trust family and friends to do all this in our behalf. We are tired of paying rent abroad. So we won't do everything. Maybe say go be ourselves back home in Nigeria. Because some of us get house, maybe say with the parent there. And we want to secure our future home. So we rush to do all those things. And the developers in Nigeria, they knows this. They knows if they use Abuja big grammar, if they use the 3D design, nice one, if they rassmatize it to you, if they even put FCDA logo on their flyer, the diaspora money will flow in. They will get money from you. Sometimes they will do everything on WhatsApp. They will take people to location. They will do video. They will show it to you. Sometimes they will show you other estate you will think is the estate. But if FCDA approval is not clearly shown to you, please run. Run and disappear from that deal. But I took a step back and I did one thing right. I stopped. I didn't let emotion to drive me anymore. And I asked questions. I asked questions. I demanded for documents. I didn't let emotion now control me. I was the one that was controlling the emotion. And now that I'm telling you this story, you need to learn so that you don't learn in a hard way. My brother, my sister, if you're in the UK, US, Canada, Europe, or Middle East, and you want to buy land in Nigeria, please, never send money based on flyer where we say you see. Never send money based on WhatsApp video where we say they show you. Never send money to friends to bring the money to them. Never even send money to your parents. Please, always ask. Show me FCDA papers. If they can't, please, it not be by force, it not be by fire. In fact, not be by prayer yourself, walk away from that deal. Your future is worth more than their promises. And please, in case you find yourself in this situation, try open your eye before you drop one single kobo. And if sometimes you're not sure of yourself or of the company, don't bother to waste at least 1 million naira. Look for a good property lawyer. Pay them. Give them money. Let them conduct all the research for you. Because sometimes some real estate, they will go ahead and they will borrow documents from the original owner. You will pay them the money into their account. Then the original owner will come. Will say, sorry, I don't know anything about this transaction. Because they only borrowed the document to show you. But the document is not their own document. Then you will lose your money. Even if you go to court, you can go to court and drag it for 10 good years. Because they'll be postponing the case every now and then. And you don't have enough time to stay in Nigeria. Not to start coming to Nigeria for one case or to start calling. You will just give up. A lot of Nigerians that I know in the diaspora, they've lost money based on dealing with real estate agents. But what do we do? When you buy land from the traditional people, They will slap your face, you will lose your money. Now you rely on real estate agents. They too, they will also dupe you. Not all real estate agents are, dupers, not all of them. But the small one out of them, they've spoiled the good ones that are doing genuine business. One of our sisters lives based in Switzerland. She bought her house worth more than 180 million naira. This our sister paid everything to this real estate agent. But you know what happened? The picture, the video they showed this our auntie in Switzerland wasn't the same house that they built for her in Nigeria. Instead of 5-bedroom duplex, they only built 3-bedroom duplex. There was no bungalow at the back. There was nothing for her to show that this was the 180 million naira, the one that she paid for that house. The whole house was in a mess. She did not enjoy that house for one single day. As I'm talking to you now, this our auntie has not even moved. She has not packed into that house. She was thinking of giving the house to someone else to buy. But things like this, would this encourage other people from diaspora for them to come back home to invest, to buy a house in Nigeria? No, not at all. Remember, last year, one famous video that was circulating all over the internet about one of our brother, I won't mention his name, but it's in the public domain. How do they want to encourage others to build, not to invest in property business in Nigeria? It is not encouraging at all. And that is why, if you're in the diaspora, please, before you invest in real estate in Nigeria, I don't know, but always look, shine your eye, and pray that God should direct you. Anyway, please, if you want more of this type of video, put in the comment there. Let me know if you want such video, this one now, so that I can come up with different types of videos like this to help our Nigerians in the diaspora. And please, if you also find this video helpful or insightful, kindly help me share this video. It might help someone today who is about to put his money on real estate in Nigeria. And at the same time, turn on the notification bell so that you hear my bang anytime that I come with a new update on this platform. Till I see you guys in the next video, please help me. You've learned one or two things from this video today. Help me to subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next video. Be careful.